Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Y'all, I can't snap with these fingers. I can't snap. Anyways, how y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anique. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, we love to see you, appreciate you. Thanks for coming through. Okay, if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. Appreciate you. You know, always showing up to the old folks, but to the new folks, but for the old folks, thank you guys so much for returning and watching my videos and just supporting me on this journey to debt freedom. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy the content here. If you have 2 cents because you want to put your opinion or your experience to help me in my journey, leave that down in the description box below because I would love to hear from you. And then go ahead and thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video because, you know, it helps with everything, and let me know that you guys enjoy these. So in today's video, as you guys can see, we're doing paycheck number 1 closeout, and so without a further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let go. Okay, y'all, so welcome back. I feel like I thought a little too close or too far. I think this is good. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video, we are closing out paycheck budget number 1 because in order for us to move on to the next budget, we have to get this budget cleared. Okay, so this budget was on 1 October 2023. And so I got my paycheck of $540. That didn't change, so that was $540. And I also got my bills account. This is money that I put into an account that pays for all my bills. And so I don't have to worry about anything throughout the month because that is taking care of my bills, y'all. So the money that I receive as my paycheck or anything extra, that is what I use for everything that I'm going to do. So that money is $2,900. And so the number for the total income that I have is $3,440. So that did not change at all. So next we're going to move on to all my expenses. I believe so far I've paid for my mortgage, HOA, Merrick, Patreon, pest control, the internet, my car payment, my Navy Fed card, and my Apple Care and Apple One. I have paid for all of those. So mortgage was still $1410.72. That did not change. HOA was still $50. Merrick was $100. Patreon did not change, $17.50. Pest control is still $66.73. Internet is still $98.38. Driven Elite is still gonna be $25. It just hasn't come out yet. I think it's due on the, what is it, like the 11th? And so at the time of this recording, it's probably either come out later, like tomorrow or later at the time of this recording. So that is why this has not been paid yet, but it's still being accounted for, you know? So $25 towards Driven Elite. Car payment is $401. And girl, stop saying okay, learn to speak properly. Now Apple Care and Apple One is $32.96. Nothing different. And so the only thing that changed on here was my credit card, really, because previously my credit card was $197.86 that is scheduled to pay, but I actually did pay the $200 that I had on my monthly. If you guys have not seen that, then go ahead and check it out. I'll put it in the eye in the sky so you guys can go ahead and check it. But yes, so $200 went to that. So what I'm gonna do, because your girl is not about to be out here doing all these number calculation, is, so this number right here was $2,415. That was what it previously came up to. So I'm gonna do $2,415. I'm gonna subtract the $197.86, so $197.86, and That will leave me with $2,202.29. That's basically all of my bills that I previously had minus my Navy Fed, and then I'm going to add in $200. And so now my new amount that is paid for all my expenses is $2,402.29. Okay, smarter not harder, guys. I was about to do this entire thing again. So $2,402.29. that is the amount for my current expenses that were paid with this paycheck. Okay, so next we're going to move down to my cash envelopes. And my cash envelopes stay the same. Stop saying I'm trying, y'all, because I'm trying to get, whenever I'm doing a speech, because I don't only talk here on YouTube, I also talk and do briefings and do speeches. So trying to not keep saying just for any other briefing or speech, and YouTube in this moment is a good educator for doing that, or good trainer for doing that. So making the adjustments slowly but surely, but is now conscious of doing that. So, you know, YouTube is not only helping me with my budget, but it's helping me in other departments as well. So $150 for groceries, $60 for gas, $10 for allowance, which, child baby, that was done the moment I got it. It didn't even breathe easy and it was gone. Toiletries is $5. Household is $35, which your girl needs to buckle up, okay? And then hair care is $75. So my groceries did not change. It was still $335. Next is my additional savings, which was $50, and that did not change as well. So that was still $50, and that stayed like that. I like it like that. It did not change, so that was good. Now we're gonna move on to my sinking funds, which these are my cute babies. So my car maintenance stayed at $20. My travel stayed at $10. My Christmas stayed at $10. My clothing stayed at $5 because your girl spent it on her New Orleans trip. So now, you know, clothing was broke. My birthday was $5, which is one of the first time that I've given myself anything above a $2 or a $3 in this. So I gave myself $5 this time. And so we like it. And I also gave Fam's B-Day $5. 1 month ahead, I gave it $10. And then emergency fund, I gave $10. So again, my sinking funds did not change at $75. Moving down to my additional debt, I have Navy Fed, which I have $20 extra going towards it. Y'all, woo! I'm making efforts to put additional money into my debt and also my savings because, you know, life be lifing. So I got to make sure that at the end of the day, I'm still paying more towards debt and I'm still putting additional in towards savings. So, you know, I'm increasing those every time I get a check or I have the funds available to spend to do it. So I did put $20 on my credit card, which, oh my gosh, y'all, it's below 8,000 and we are, ooh. So we're just excited. Wait until the closeout at the end of October because I expect this month to be full of great things. Also, yeah, with that being said, we're on the way to 1,300 subscribers on this channel. That is the goal of this month. You know, as one of my favorite YouTubers says, it's not a big goal, but it's a big goal to me. And so I would appreciate it if you guys, you know, if you want to. If you don't want to, but you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. I appreciate that too. Next is Canva and other, and so I'm gonna do $60 to it. I just tried to update my card on file, so I have to update my card on file to make sure that my credit card gets charged, because child, they said PayPal, and I don't know which PayPal because I ain't got that PayPal. I don't know which account, because we need to know. If they got the account, they need to let me know. If there's money in it, let me know, because I would like to have my money back. But I don't know, child. So I am putting $60 towards Canva because I do need to pay for that, right? So This is $60 in other. So now we're going to do all the income sources. So income is still $3,440. That did not change. My expenses, however, did change to $2,402.29. My cash envelope stayed at $335. Y'all, I know y'all can see low key, but these nails, they are cute, are they not? These are press on, y'all, and I enjoy them so much, but the length is given, at the same time taketh away. Come on. So that's why y'all can see some stuff. Additional savings is $50. Sinking funds is $75. Additional debt is $20. And other is $60. There we go. Right. And so now I'm gonna do the, oh shoot, I almost dropped the thing. Now I'm gonna do the switcheroo to figure out what our final number is. So it's 3440 minus, excuse me, my bad, minus 2402.29, subtract 335, subtract $50, subtract $75, subtract $20, subtract $60. Okay, and so that is equal to 4,000, girl, read the numbers correctly, $497.71. So $497.71. So our carryover has actually updated to $497.71. And so this is what is in my bills account, because all the money that I use in expenses, it comes out of the bills account. Everything else comes out of my paycheck, which is the $540. So that is how I account for knowing that this money, my carryover, this $497, is inside my bank account, in my bills account itself. But that is it for this closeout, guys. Let me know how you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to zoom back out. Let me know how you enjoyed this video. I enjoy to do these before I go into another check, because your girl do have another check. But I enjoy to do these. I enjoy doing this before I go into another paycheck, because I always like to make sure I am balanced before moving on to the next step. And so that's what keeps me everything on the line in my brain. And so, you know, I am not like out of the blue left field about exactly where my money has been, what it's been doing, because girl, I keep up with it. She at an event, I'm at the event too. She makes a payment, I'm aware of the payment. Ain't no money moving anymore without us being aware of where it's going. So if you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box. Let me know how you guys are doing with your budget, what you have changed in order for you to be better with your budget, and also what is your goals for the next 3 months. If you have not seen my goals for the 4th quarter video, go ahead and check that out. I'm also working on those goals, so that is why. So go ahead and subscribe if you do enjoy this channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And these nails, y'all. These nails. Look at them. Just look at them. But these are press on, y'all, because your girl's in the military and she got to go to work on Monday. And I could not do it with these. All the people who do have them, shout outs to y'all, because y'all be doing the thing. But for me, these are cute with this. But I'm going to need my regular nails afterwards. So thank you guys again so much for watching. My name is Anique here on Anique Budgets. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't